Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have seriously missed filming so much. I've missed you guys, missed chatting with you in the comments and everything, but as you can tell probably by my voice, I have been sick. We have literally all went through something since the beginning of December basically, and that's why I've been so MIA on my channel. But anyways, needless to say, even though I don't sound the best, I feel way better than I did. So today we are getting out and about, and we are going to my favorite local antique store. I filmed in here before, and you guys really enjoyed going along with me and seeing everything that they had, because this place is 3 stories, so it is huge. They have the middle section when you walk in, they have like a little downstairs section, and then in upstairs as well. So you can find so many neat treasures here. I've been able to find some really great staple pieces for my home in the past that I use all season long. Some of them you guys have seen in pretty much all of my videos, honestly. And then on Small Business Saturday, so about 3 weeks ago, me and 2 of my best girlfriends, we came here and we were able to score some really nice holiday decor. So stay tuned to the end of today's video. Even if I don't find anything today specifically, I do have a haul of things that I want to share with you guys from my previous trip. So I've been able to get some really pretty unique pieces here for the holiday season, but again, also some everyday decor as well. So today I'm going to be sharing holiday decor because it is still Christmas time, and I think it's just going to be really fun. The last time we were in here, they had so many great things in all the booths, and they were just decorated so nicely and beautifully for Christmas, and I'm really excited to go in and see what they have out today. But I have been stocking up on just some new pieces here and there, new to me pieces. They have been thrifted or antique pieces that I cannot wait to incorporate into my home after the Christmas season is over. Once I take down my tree and all the things and take away just all of the holiday colors that I've been using, I've been able to find some really great neutral pieces at the thrift store, and I am so excited to share them with you guys. So stay tuned for after the holiday season as well. I will have tons of thrifting, antiquing, decorating content, all of that. We are going to be doing a lot of really fun things the first of the year here on my channel, so you don't want to miss out. But with all that being said, I just pulled up here at the warehouse. It is called Warehouse Antique Mall, and we're gonna go in and see what all we can find. So let's get to it. we are back from the antique warehouse. It is much later now, and I wanted to point out, I did not buy anything today, so everything in the haul is from my last trip. Today, they were honestly kind of on the lower end of their holiday decor. I'm sure you guys caught on to that. There were several booths that I did share that had like quite a bit of stuff left, and some of them even had like 60% off all of their holiday decor. So that is one thing. Even though you are watching this video a little later in the season, be sure to still check out your thrift stores and antique stores, because you will be able to get even better deals more than likely, because they're trying to kind of get rid of those things to prep for the new year. So anyway, side note there, but a lot of these things I did get on Small Business Saturday. Actually, all of them I'm going to show you, but they still had very similar items that I found today. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I found. The first thing was actually in my friend Stacy's booth. So I found this on Small Business Saturday. She was the booth that I shared that was Route 51 Farmhouse. So she just has a lot of really cool things. She also has an Instagram, so I will link it right here and you guys can check her out. But if you are into the shabby chic, very rustic and organic, like farmhouse decor, then she's your girl. But she makes so many really neat things, and one of the things she shared over on Instagram about a month ago or so was these little bottle brush trees. She has been bleaching these herself and then adding on the trees to a really like unique base. So I am a sucker for brass accents, so she took this little bottle brush tree and added it to this brass piece, and I just think it is so pretty. So I want to say I picked this up for like $6. I have been keeping it in my hutch in just like a little area, like a little vignette. It's so cute, and this is something that I can use for years to come. I think that the bottle brush trees are very timeless, and I just love that really like organic and rustic vibe that they give off. So super cute. Again, she had a ton of these today, and I did show those in some clips. So the next thing that I found, I'm always on the hunt for little horns or anything that's just like very nostalgic Christmas, that is timeless, that can just be effortlessly incorporated into your Christmas decor. So I am always on the hunt for little brass horns, and whenever we went on Small Business Saturday, one of the booths had a ton of horns. I actually filmed there in today's video as well. They had a lot of big ones left, but I ended up getting 2 of these. They were 2 for $3, I believe, and you can obviously like clip the ribbon off if you just want the horn yourself. If you just want the horn itself, you can style these in a little bowl with some pine cones, like anything like that. You can also use this as a napkin ring if you found enough of them. I think that would be super cute. But I ended up getting these, like I said, 2 for $3, and I have them as ornaments on my Christmas tree. They do hang upside down, but they are so cute, and I honestly really like the little touch of red and gold ribbon. I think it's even more like a nostalgic, traditional Christmas vibe, but love these. I think these are something you can always keep an eye out for at thrift stores and antique stores during the Christmas season. All right, there's a chance you're going to hear the boys in the background. They are all here and all awake and ready to party. But anyways, I am filming in my bedroom, obviously. The room is right next door. So next up, I have this little guy here. So no, this is not technically Christmas decor, like at all. This is definitely more of your everyday decor, but I think it looks so beautiful paired with the next item that I'm getting ready to share with you. So this is a little tea light candle holder. I'm sure there's probably more of a like technical name for this, but I just think that this is so pretty. So I don't know if you guys have seen like on Instagram or Pinterest or anything like that, but a lot of people have been incorporating these little like candle warmers where the shade of the candle warmer looks like this. So if you were to take this piece and flip it upside down, something like this is like the lampshade, and then the base is gold, and you just set your candle on it to warm it. I love them, but I think they're like $25–30, which technically isn't terrible, but if I can get it cheaper, why would you not? So anyways, I found this and it reminded me so much of it because I love the glass with the edges there. I think it's just so pretty and very like traditional looking in my opinion, and I love the gold too. Typically not into like the really loud gold pieces when it comes to like everyday decor, but again, it looks really good and complements my Christmas decor really well. So anyways, I picked this up. It is a little tea light candle holder. It was only $3, and I think it is so beautiful. I currently have it styled on my buffet next to my new nativity scene that I am thrilled about. Let me grab it and I will show you what it looks like. Here is the nativity scene. So I have been on the hunt for like a real rustic, organic, just like raw wood type of nativity scene, but something that's a little different than what you can find at like Hobby Lobby and places like that. And I stumbled across this one on Small Business Saturday, and it was only $25, and I absolutely love it. Like the raw edges on here are beautiful. The little pieces on the inside are stunning as well. They are like ceramic and just real like neutral colors, but I think they are just so pretty, and this was an amazing deal. So I knew whenever I purchased it, I wanted to keep it on my buffet in our living room, just front and center right there, and I absolutely love it. And I just think that this is such a beautiful piece. Even if I ever wanted to like change out the center with new little pieces and whatnot, I can, but I love this part. I just think it is so pretty, and I love it. So it looks really good paired next to that tea light candle holder I just showed you guys. I love the subtle light that the tea light gives it. It's just so pretty, so cozy at night, and I probably like, that's the area that's probably my all-time favorite this holiday season. I just think it's so pretty, and it's so simple. So I almost like don't want to put it up after Christmas, even though that would be kind of odd, but I just think it's stunning. Definitely one of my favorite finds for this year, hands down. Alright guys, that is everything for today's video. I am planning on doing much more Christmas related content before Christmas. I know Christmas is only like a week away, which is insane to me. This month has like truly flown by. But one of my next videos, I'm going to share 2 home tours. So I'm going to be sharing a home tour of my home and also of my mom's home as well. She has such beautiful Christmas decor this year, so I cannot wait to show you guys. You will absolutely love it, I promise. So be on the lookout for that one. And then I'm also going to do a fun like Christmas traditions video. I have recently been in a Christmas market, so I'm going to be incorporating content from there. We also went to our lights parade in our small town, just showing you guys a little bit of kind of my daily life and how it all, like just the fun things that we like to do each holiday season, so with our family and friends. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this simple holiday antiquing. Really hope you enjoyed seeing what all the vendors had and whatnot. There was a lot of good things to choose from, and I definitely have my eye just ready for after Christmas decorating. They had so many good things there that I saw today that I was like, I really want that, but I don't need to pick it up today. So we will be going on plenty more trips to the warehouse, and I will be sharing all kinds of neutral everyday decor that you can decorate with after the holiday season, so be on the lookout for that video as well. But thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye everyone.